Nakagami on that second row. Rins, Jack Miller and Crutchlow are on row 3. Rossi. 2018 Valencia Moto 2 winner Miguel Oliveira. Row 7 headed by Aleix Espargaro. Happy Cyrene and Jorge Lorenzo's injury replacement on the Repsol Honda.
We go here, good start from Marquez. He got off like a rocky. Marquez, look at Miller. He's charging through, but he's gone deep.
Jack Miller was
Dobby's up the inside as well.
Hard stopping Stein. Way up the inside and Miller into turn 6. He does, because Miller had a big moment on the front end. Left it here.
And this is as far back as he's been in a long, long time. Dobby up the inside of Miller there. He's up into third.
Marquez drive. Dovizioso powers on through. Dovizioso second.
Going to fly past Alex Rins on the Suzuki. Quartararo then with 3/4 of a second in his back pocket already.
Marquez on the hill into turn number 4. Rossi's on the charge. He started 10.
There's Crutchlow. He's gone down and he's holding his hand. And there is Polis.
He's under pressure from Marquez. Rossi has made a great progress. Up 5 places from 10th to 5th. Rins
flying.
Rins keeps making mistakes in fact. Vinales all over him. Here comes Marquez. It's going to be tight. No way through. Miller slams the door. Him driving acceleration out of the first corner. Couldn't get close enough to pounce on Miller.
His
bike just cut out.
On the brakes into turn 4. What an important mistake that could be. Rossi now closes up on Marquez. This is going to be very, very fierce indeed after the war of words on Thursday night. Pedrosa, Lorenzo, Marquez, Rossi closes up as they come into turn 9. Pedrosa and Lorenzo. Here goes Rossi on the brakes again. Even Valentino Rossi, and he runs it a little bit wide. Even Rossi couldn't get up the inside of Marquez, but he closes once again as they come through the first turn 10. And Rossi gets up the inside, and Rossi is back into 3rd place. What can Marquez do? Side by side they come.
Cool, Marquez thought about riding around the outside of Rossi at turn 12, brave in the extreme. That would have been. He rides around the outside of him at turn 13 instead. He absolutely mugs Rossi on the outside. Rossi looks really close.
Marquez has gone.
Rossi was. Well, you've got to say, Valentino Rossi looks over his left shoulder. He slowed right down in turn number 14. There was contact between Marquez, a shake of the head from Marquez, and you feel with some justification.
Oh, wow. There's going to be repercussions from that incident, I can promise you. Let's have a look at it again, Matt.
Yeah, Marquez, well, he got pretty close there. Rossi had the line through 12 with him.
It's going to be tight, no way through. Miller slams the door. Him driving acceleration out of the first corner. Couldn't get close enough to pounce on Miller.
His
bike just
cut
cut
out in the middle of the corner.
An independent team Yamaha victory in the MotoGP World Championship. He's going to have to work incredibly hard for it. He's running a really strong. Marquez lining him up here surely at the first corner.
On board now with the world champion. He's going to go up, crash out of this one then. There's another KTM gone.
Rossi was true to his word. He said he had to be aggressive. He can. That's how you make the perfectly executed move at turn number. The Catty, you can see there clearly how much Marquez has got a better engine underneath him, because that would not have happened in previous years.
Yamaha leads though on lap 4 and has done since the open.
Quartararo over the line. Fastest lap of the race briefly, because Marquez betters that speed. 24th.
That drifted slightly away from Marquez as the pace is upped. Rossi still there in 5th.
And Andrea Dovizioso, as you would expect. Quartararo capitalising on that early.
Fabio Quartararo is about to find out what speed disadvantage is on the Yamaha. The slipstream, and look at the difference there. It's like bringing a knife to a gunfight.
Well, that's what happens when you breaks up the inside of Marquez. You've got to really be straight back, as you'd expect.
Yeah, again on acceleration, that's just so disheartening.
So they sweep over the blind crest, down into turn 9. Marquez not close enough.
The team of Dovizioso and the run up to the Niki Lauda corner. Fabio Quartararo going really hot.
Rossi had the line through 12, and then Marquez audaciously, brilliantly rode around the outside of Rossi through turn number 13. Now this isn't through turn 14, coming up to the back straight. Rossi was wide. Well, Valentino Rossi has run Marquez out to the edge of the track there. Marquez is coming back into the pits, as Nick quite rightly says. This race is only just one part of the story of the Malaysian Grand Prix. What is going to happen in race control after this race? Because this is not over by any stretch of the imagination.
Dylan, put your tin hat on. It's coming back in.
Yeah, I'm just down here trying to see the reaction. Obviously, the team fuming.
Right, Marquez back in. Pedrosa Lorenzo Rossi. Marc Marquez crosses out after an incident with Valentino Rossi and goes straight to the back.
Tupi. Tupi ko na naman ah. San, minsan. Tarik. Tarik. Tarik.
Awas angga boleh.
Di sini.
Muguk. Angkat aja ini hampas. Anu bendera tuh Ray, bendera. Penonton ayo. Panjang bejo. Masih aja.